Hi all, I'm Kick from QuickITDotNet and today we are going to understand how to use if and else in Express.js with jade. To do that, what we are going to do is, in last lecture we have understood how to use the if statement. This time what we are going to do is, we will show the even and odd both number, but even number with blue color and as a background blue, and odd number is background gray. So let's see that. To do that, I am going to create some classes, okay, like background color colon light gray, and I will put this class with li, and I can use dot li background color light blue, and I can use dash, copy this, control C, dash control V space, it will looks better, control S. And what I have to use is this class I have to use with light gray, I have to use with odd actually, so I'm going to use light blue with even, okay. And if I want to use else statement, I can directly use else like this, and what I can do is I will use this li here and with proper tabbing, and I'm going to here light gray, I will use this class, control C, I will use this class here, control S, and let's see the output. Yeah, so even color is coming with blue, light blue background, and odd colors are coming is light gray background. We teach multiple things in our institute. Do you want to learn? You can contact us. Thank you.